welcome and welcome back again to another recipe video. So for our yam pottage or yam porridge, I'm going to start by dicing my yam into little bits, little cubes even though it does not really look like cubes, but we move. So while that is inside the water, I'm going to blend some pepper mix. Here I have about 2 onions, 1 spicy scotch bonnet, and a little bit of tomatoes. So let's start cooking. I'll start by adding some palm oil to my pot. 2 little seasoning cube and salt. So I like to fry my seasoning because I think it kind of takes the food to another level. So I added some onions, our pepper mix, and I'll cover and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. I'll go ahead and add some water. The quantity of water you add to your porridge depends on how light or how thick you want your porridge to be. I don't want this to be too light, so I had about a glass. That's a big glass of water though. So after allowing that to come to a boil, I'm going to be adding the star of the day, which is our yam. For our protein, we are going to be using this mackerel fish that I grilled by myself in my air fryer. So I'm just going to debone it and add it to our pottage. At this point, our pottage is almost ready. I'll go ahead and add the crayfish and also our greens. I'm using spinach for this recipe, but you can use any green of your choice. So at this stage, our pottage is good as ready. I'll just let it simmer a little bit with the greens and we are good to go. Please let me know in the comment section if you've tried this before or you're going to try it. And if you try this recipe, please don't forget to send me a feedback, okay? This is a quick and easy recipe. I'm sure you're going to love it. You can also use plantain and potato for this in case you don't like yams or you don't have yams. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you found it useful. If you do, don't forget to like and let me know what you think in the comment section. Right now, I'm just adding a little bit of salt because I tasted for salt and it needed more salt. So at this stage, our yam pottage or yam porridge is ready. Take a look at my kids enjoying this after they told me that the name is strange.